I reckon that's ploughing, isn't it? That's nice and straight. These are taters, I reckon. I've just come through here. It's field of rape. That's some machine that can do that, innit? Wow. I've come out for a walk Sunday afternoon. Found this path and it's quite long. I've walked quite a way. A few of you watching this though can be new subscribers because quite a few have come recently. I take it you've been down looking at the other videos. I mean, there's over 800 down there that I've made. I've been putting videos up every day for, oh, must be going on 3 years, 2.5 years. The ideology is all there in all the conversations I've had with you all. And this is what I like. Just the simple things in life. Just go for a walk down a country lane. This tree here, the blossom on this tree here, it's gorgeous. Another one here. I can smell it. Wow. See it from this direction. See it better from here. Lovely. Oh, and that's where I am staying. That's been a lovely walk. Hi folks. Well, we've left Dunnington, come back to Tracy's, but we're here at Asda first. We're called in at Asda to do a shop. And by gum, it's a wonder there's out left of this camper. It's just shaking us to bits coming back. The roads are just getting worse. God, it's a wonder there's out left of this thing. Still appears to be intact. Anyway, we're going to do a shop and I'll see you later. Hiya folks, we're back. I went for a walk yesterday afternoon and I filmed it, you've seen it. Yeah, those furrows were as straight as a die, weren't they? Yeah, potatoes I imagine. Very good. Nice walk. There's a few nice walks around Dunnington. In fact, it's a really posh place, Dunnington, very upmarket. I want to thank Alan and Chris for buying my book. So I sold 2 books while I were away. I don't know whether they watch our YouTube channel, but if you do, thank you for that. Much appreciated. one thing that we did notice in Asda, how quiet it was today, and also last Tuesday before we set off to Skipsey, we called in at Asda and got a few bits. We're quiet then as well, and you just wonder if the habits, people are changing the way they shop, if there's an effect starting to materialise. Yeah. And I'm happy to report that when we got back, the first thing I clapped my eyes on was tablets. So they've come. Brilliant. So we're all ready there. We're all set for that. No problems. So that's it for today. We're going to be here this week, getting ready for Mick's party on, I don't know, it's Sunday, I think, and then setting off Monday for who knows where. You know where, don't you? Sure you do. We'll see. See you later.